Try this and have at least once in a week. Summer body cooling healthy drink. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's see how to make easy and healthy cool drink recipe. Here I have taken half cup of green gram or moong. From this measurement we can make 3 to 4 glass of drink. First we need to dry roast until they turns into brown color. On low to medium flame. Once done, turn off the flame and let it cool down completely. Next, take a blender. To this, I am going to add roasted green gram, along with this half cup of grated coconut, 3 to 4 green cardamom, half cup of jaggery powder, or you can also use jaggery, salt to taste, add little water and grind into fine paste. Once done, we need to add 1 glass of water and grind it again. Now we will strain this paste. Now take this remained paste and add 1 or 1.5 glass of water. Grind it again and strain. Do this process for about 3 to 4 times. That's it. Our cool drink is ready. Now adjust the salt and sweetness, and you can refrigerate for about 15 to 20 minutes to get chilled cool drink, or you can drink as it is. This is refresh and healthy body cooling drink. Must have this in hot summer. If you like this video, please give a like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you all in my next video.